Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate your Instagram bio in English. If it is in any of the language, you can translate it in English. So the process is going to be very easy, but make sure that do watch the video completely. Here, first of all, head to your Instagram right here. So as you can see, my profile bio is already in English, so there is no need to translate in English. So let's pick a random account in which the bio will be in any other language. So let's say I'm choosing here a contact. Guys, you can see his bio is in another language, and there's an option to translate the bio in English language. So all you need to do just to click on this option to translate the bio if it is in any other language. You cannot do with any other third-party application, or even Instagram has its own feature to translate the bio in English. So let's pick another account now. I think no, so he's the only one with the bio. I don't know here which account has Spanish or even French bio. So okay, so this is how you can translate the bio over on Instagram in English. So I hope you have learned something new. That's the end for today's video. If you like the video, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. I'll be meeting you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.